Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the sociology exam? This is Praxis test code 5952. Praxis 5952 is an exam for entry-level 6 to 12 sociology educators. This problem set covers the subtopic of social stratification. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Question number 1. In the ABC model, the A stands for affect, or how someone feels. This emotion is linked with discrimination, harm, prejudice, or stereotype. Harm refers to damage or injury, which is not directly related to emotional response. Stereotype refers to an oversimplified idea about a group of people and is more cognitive than emotional. Discrimination is an action based on prejudices and stereotypes, not an emotion. The correct answer is prejudice, which refers to a preconceived opinion or feeling, often negative, towards someone or something fitting the affect component in the ABC model. Question number 2. A man who has just received a promotion at his company is now moving his family to the company's headquarters in Chicago. With this promotion, the man gains an increase of double his previous salary, allowing him and his family to purchase a much larger house in an area with better education systems. Which of the following types of social mobility is taking place in this particular example? Horizontal mobility, intragenerational social mobility, upward mobility, or intergenerational mobility. Horizontal mobility refers to a change in position at the same social level, which does not apply here. Intergenerational mobility refers to changes in social status across generations, not within a single individual's lifetime. Intragenerational social mobility describes changes in social status within an individual's lifetime, but is less specific than the correct term. The best and correct term here is upward mobility, which refers to an increase in social status, income, and quality of life as described in this scenario. Question number 3. Which of the following is true concerning the Earned Income Tax Credit? It is a refundable tax credit. It is a fixed amount for all who apply. It cannot be used in combination with the child tax credit. Or it is available for all who make less than $500,000 a year. It is a fixed amount for all who apply is not correct because the EITC amount varies based on income and family size. It cannot be used in combination with the child tax credit is also not correct because it can be used alongside the CTC. It is available for all who make less than $500,000 a year is incorrect as well because the income eligibility limits are much lower. Therefore, the correct answer here is it is a refundable tax credit, meaning it can reduce the tax owed and potentially result in a refund if the credit exceeds the tax liability. Question number 4. Which of the following types of social mobility often occurs from parents to children? intergenerational social mobility, vertical social mobility, intragenerational social mobility, or horizontal social mobility. Vertical social mobility refers to moving up or down the social hierarchy within one's lifetime. Intragenerational social mobility is about changes in social status within the same generation. Horizontal social mobility involves a change in occupation or lifestyle without a change in social class. The correct answer is intergenerational social mobility, which describes the social changes between different generations within a family. I hope I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find on the subtopic of social stratification for the Praxis 5952 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Wishing you all the best with your prep and your exam. Bye for now.